Hey guys, welcome to my channel Success Sequence where we deal analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty's important move and expected level. So as you can see, market did open on a muted side, but did get momentum and finally close on a higher side. So let's see how we traded today. So let me just share my WhatsApp broadcast with you. So as you can see on 9:50, I did mention that we should go long in a Nifty with a stop loss of 10125 and a target of 10170 and 10190. Further, I also mentioned that we can also go long in a bank nifty with a stop loss of 25 to 70, the target of 25,400. But let me mention you that when I did mention this particular move, the message did reach late, and in 25,400 there are hardly any 20 or 30 points per there. So again on 10:08 I did analyze and then again said that we can definitely go, and I mean, if the market Bank Nifty trades about 25,400, you can trail and expect a target of 25,434 and 25,521. So it was a good day for us and we made a good money by taking the trade very early. So now let me show you what kind of analysis we are observing now for the market for the days ahead. So if we see the option chart data, what I can see is 10,200 to 10,500 kind of range. uh, I did feel that there are some sort of support at 55 days exponential moving average, and whenever the market breaks above and takes a support at its 55 days exponential moving average, there are chances that it will hold. So now what I feel is that the upside is very limited as far as the today's move is concerned. So market can go maximum high at this particular point of time at 10,260 kind of move, because all the moving averages are there. So what we are waiting for is a kind of crossover, and if that happens we can definitely take a further long position. And that's the only reason I message my subscribers that you should not hold on to gains and book whatever the profit you are getting. So we did get a good profit today. Apart from that, if you see the CCI is now tilting on the upside but still trading in a negative zone. MACD is also suggesting an up move, or rather a bullish crossover is about to get formed but still awaited. RSI is also taking support at a lower level and it's also tilting upward. Same is the case with the CCI, but still in a negative zone. And volatility, the important thing is the volatility is now trying to break above its 55 days exponential moving average, and if it did happen, that we can definitely expect some sort of good move. Now what I feel is a bearish move and increase in volatility goes very nicely. So that's another reason we have not hold on to our bullish position, but that does not mean that we are not expecting a bullish move from here. What I feel is a stable to bullish kind of move is there. However, the upside looks limited, and if we are getting some sort of signal or indication that the market is likely to trade on a higher side, I will definitely update you and then we can take a particular position. Now let us quickly analyze the bank nifty. So as far as the option activity range is concerned, what I feel is 24,500 to 26,000 is a broad range. However, the rollover data suggests that the market, rather bank nifty, could go to 26,700, because that's the uh, uh, till that particular price I can see a good sort of bullish position getting formed. Further, if you see the put side, I can see a good amount of put writing, I mean the rollover has happened. So that is also suggesting that the market participants are expecting a stable to bullish kind of move as far as the bank nifty is concerned. Just a second, I think my economic times has ended, so let me open it again. Okay, now it's working fine. So let us quickly move to bank nifty chart. So as I said, there is a good chances that the bank nifty will trade on a higher side, and what I feel is it should trade on a higher side. Let me just share the let us just open the bank nifty chart. So we did get a good move in a bank nifty, and we also made good money. uh, okay, so it's taking some time because of the network issue. Okay, now it is opened. So all right, so we are here now. So as I was mentioning my previous video, as you can see, the bank nifty was taking sort of support at 13 days exponential moving average. As you can see, the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, six times, and now you can see that it has taken a good support, and now it is trying to form a bullish crossover. So that's the only reason we were confident that the market should stay on a higher side. And it will try to break the resistance. So that is the only reason I did give you the target, like this particular target. As you can see, 25,558.02 was the target given, considering the resistance on a higher side, considering the candlestick. Apart from that, if you can observe, the CCI now is getting now breaking out from its resistance, so that is a good sign, that is a bullish sign. Further, MACD is also taking a support near the zero line, and any bullish crossover will take Bank Nifty on a higher side. The first resistance naturally would be 25,000, 25,500, something like that, and the final resistance would be 25,600. So these are the broad resistance that I am giving. On a lower side, I did feel that the market has a good support. Further, if you see, RSI is also getting broken, getting getting breakout from its 55 days exponential RSI. CCI is now tilting on the upside, and historical volatility is now trying to break on a higher side. So what I feel is that we could have taken a bullish position in the Bank Nifty, and I feel that the Bank Nifty should trade with the bullish sentiments. But since the Nifty was not confirming, and as per our previous experience, however, we did not lose money when we took a trade, like contract trade, when the Nifty was suggesting a down move and Bank Nifty was suggesting an up move. We did made a quite low profit, but the risk was higher. So that's the only reason I have not suggested any position for the Bank Nifty as well to my subscribers. What I feel is that market should trade on a higher side, particularly Bank Nifty. I feel bullish, and any bullish crossover in the particular chart, and you are good to go long. So if you are with me on my WhatsApp, I'll definitely update you. Now, one more thing that I would like to request to my subscriber is that do not send me the messages like good morning, good night, what we should do, how we should do, because the video that I am giving is the most important thing. You need to understand this particular video, understand the system, and then trade accordingly. Risk part you need to manage. Though I have also started giving now that you should trade with the future or option, but that might not be suitable for everyone. So that part you need to consider. And what happens is, when you message me good morning, good night, or something like that, my WhatsApp takes time to load all these messages, and this particular loading of message makes my phone slow. So whenever if I open my subscriber my WhatsApp broadcast, type a message, and press the send button, it takes a time, because the first it will load the message, and then only it will come to a sending part. So it delays the transmission of my message from my side. So it's a humble request to my subscriber that do not message me any kind of wishes, or do not make me a personal recommendation like I have purchased this kind of position, so what should I do, because that anyway I am not going to tell you, because there are various subscribers associated with me, and all if all starts messaging me like I should do this particular move, that it will not be position, because it requires a particular kind of a good kind of analysis. Since we are doing it with the Nifty and Bank Nifty, I can get a hold of it, but not for all the stocks. So it's a humble request from my side. Apart from that, I have clearly suggested you the levels for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you want, you can trade. It is not necessary that I should also trade. If you have a higher risk appetite, you can trade accordingly. So that's it for the today's video, guys. I hope you have liked my video, and please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family, and in case if you have any doubt, you can always mention it in the comment section of the video. Thank you.